When I cruise, I always bring medication. Medication can be extremely expensive to buy on the ship. I like to save my money, and if I need something, have it with me. So today I'm going to show you what exactly I bring with me. None of us are prone to like seasickness, but I do like to bring ginger chews, and ginger gravel just in case we get nauseous. I get nauseous for other reasons, so just having some of that just helps with that. I also bring some of these Pepto Bismol chewables. I just think that that's covers a lot of bases when it comes to what you need. My daughter used to have a feeding tube, so this was more in those days, but I still like to bring some syringes just in case there's some liquid medication that she needs to take. And of course, this is all on top of prescription medication. This is just like our everyday medication. And then these I used to use in addition to her emergency kit if her feeding tube came out, but they're just Band-Aids. They're just waterproof Band-Aids. I think they work well for anything pretty much. Basically just if you have an injury or something, need a Band-Aid, there you go. Also a few just normal Band-Aids as well. And then for my daughter, I just have Tylenol and Advil, both the chewable ones. Even when she had her feeding tube, I found it easier to crush these and put it in than to use liquid. And it's just easier to fly with as well, because then we don't actually fly with any liquid. My brother and I both prefer this 12-hour Advil to any other medication, so we don't bring Tylenol, we just bring this Advil. And then last but not least, but when we do international cruises, like the one we're about to go on, we do bring melatonin. I will take 1 or 2 of these, and then I will give a quarter of it to my daughter. I do have like smaller ones, like these ones here, which I give her either half of one or a full one. But in order to save space, it makes more sense just to use these ones and then break them into quarters, which is super easy to do. So I prefer to have all my medications in one of these little bags, like they're CarryOn bags. I just find it so much easier, because then at the airport I do take it out, because that's what they request that you do. I don't think a lot of people do, but anyway. And then she only has 1 prescription medication. I'm not on any prescription medication, so I just toss it in at the top and we're good to go. We have all the stuff that we need, and then this just stays in my carry-on, so if we need it during the flight or if we need it on the cruise, we have it all, and it's all super easy to find because it's like I know where all my stuff is. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more cruise videos, and go check out this video right here.